Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to disable glance mode or lock screen wallpaper services on any Samsung phone. Now to do that, just go to your home screen and open settings. From here, just go to wallpaper and style. Then tap on change wallpapers and select wallpaper services. From here, instead of dynamic lock screen or Samsung global goals, just select none. Then tap on apply. Now, as you can see, this is how you can disable glance mode or lock screen wallpaper services on any Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.